Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. So join me as I make the most delicious fritters you would ever love to have. So what you see me there is I'm trying to set out my ingredients for these fritters. And in there I have about 1 egg, and I have baking powder, which I'll be using just a teaspoon of, 1 lemon, which I'll be needing the zest, and I have 200 grams of all-purpose flour, and I have also about 70 grams of sugar and 2 Greek yogurts. So let's begin. So first, I'm going to break my egg into my bowl, and I will be adding the sugar, and I will be giving these two very good mix. So after giving that a very good mix, now it's time for me to add in the yogurt. So I'm going to be adding 2 of them. Each one of them is about 125 grams. So my adding 2 equals to 250 grams. That is the much I want in these fritters. So someone may say, why do you need to add yogurt? Have you ever tried cake with yogurt? Made a cake with yogurt, or do some fritters with yogurt, or some buns with yogurt? I mean, it's yogurt. It just adds enough richness and moisture to the base of that dessert or whatever you are making it with. So I always prefer to use Greek yogurt, but feel free to use any full fat plain yogurt that you would have, and I bet you will enjoy it. So after adding the yogurt, I decided to top in with about 3 to 5 tablespoons of milk, and this I'm giving a very good mix, and we will continue from there. So while that is done, it's time for me to take out my lemon zest. So I'm going to be taking about half a teaspoon or thereabouts of a lemon zest, and I will be adding it into my moist mixture. After being done with the lemon zest, which I've also added into the mixture, it's time to start introducing my dry ingredients. And I have just started with parts of the flour. So I'm just going to go ahead that way, adding it bit by bit, because that's the way it works much more better for me that way. So I'm going to work it section by section, little by little, giving it a very good mix, making sure we don't have any lumps and everything is so smooth. So after working it for a while, this is the consistency we are really looking for. So smooth, and we are ready for frying. So I'm going to set this aside and then have my pan on the heat, and I'm going to be adding my frying oil, and I'm going to be heating it up. And then this is what the easier way I see to scoop my dough and then add it into my frying pan. And it's very easy as far as your spoons are moist, you understand. And you can see it's coming out from the spoon peacefully, without any stress. So I'm just going to go on this way and until I have the enough quantity I want to get into that frying pan, and I'm just going to allow it fry properly. So I got some that sticks to my pan, and thereby getting it burnt a little, but that's not a problem, okay? So the whole thing still came out very well and it's really looking good. So if you want to do yours, or if you have a non-sticking pan, I will advise you use that. But if you don't have, so what I will advise is, so please lower your heat, as usual. Whenever you're frying, put it on a very low heat so that everything cooks properly. So inside this bowl, I will be adding some sugar, which I will be using for the coating, okay? So I'm going to be coating them in there, and you know how kids would definitely love this kind of this kind of snacks, okay? So you can see it's really turning out very well. This turned out so well, guys. I even ate from it. It was so yummy. All right, so if you don't want to coat with sugar, you can choose to coat with coconut flakes. I even have a recipe of coconut flakes snacks like this. I'm going to be putting the video up here for you guys, so feel free to check it out. So these are some of these that I have already coated, and I'm going in again for the second batch of it. And just watch me as I do, okay? Keep watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for watching, okay? Please check out my other videos, and please do subscribe. Turn on my notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be fully notified of them so that you can watch and enjoy. And to you all that have always come to watch my video, to share my video, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Thank you. So the second batch is also ready. So you can see our fritters came out so well, looking so inviting. Just look at that color. It's so good. So I'm just taking all of them out now, and I'm going to give these ones a very good coat also. And our fritters is fully ready. So guys, this is it. It is so ready now. So I'm just going to open this one for you guys to see the inside, how it is so rich. Just look at that, moist. Just look at that. It's so yummy. Feel free to give this a try, and thank you for watching. See you guys on my next one. Bye.